Hello everyone, this is Dr. Soal Barushaki. This is a quick, hopefully, video clip on some manual classification in ArcGIS and representing that. So in the previous clip in this practice set, we calculated percentage of Hispanic population and percentage of ownership or house ownership in our area. Here are the results. I have two fields representing these two values. I would like to visualize them and apply some analysis to them. So the first thing to visualize that, I would go, of course, to symbology. And I go to quantities. In this case, I grab my percentage of Hispanic population, then I change it to 5 classes. However, for my classification scheme, I go and manually define my classes. So I have 5 classes. The first breakpoint or break value would be 0.2 or 20%. Then next one I go with 4%, the next one with 6%, and the second last one 8%, and finally the last one 1%. So this way I can show different percentile within that range. So it is, I believe, a better way to represent percentages. So I have that one. My labeling is okay. Let's check that one so it looks better. I can get anything like a 2-hue type of color ramp. Probably something like this. I'm not sure. To represent that one looks good to me at this point. For my legend, I simply can change this as P_Hispanic. I can go and change that here to % space Hispanic, and then I go and remove the name, so I would have a cleaner legend for my presentation. I changed the name of my data frame. In this case, I call it P_Hispanic. So I know that which data frame I have. I simply can go and insert a new data frame. In this case, I go and change the name to P_housing ownership. Let's call it ownership better. And then I can grab this one, copy this layer, and paste the layer here, and just change the symbology value. Now I would like to show my ownership. I go and change exactly what I did for my breakpoints over my manual classification to 2468. There you go, and click OK, click apply, and then I have what I needed. So in this case, it's quite reverse in terms of percentage of ownership, and then I go and change the value to % and space. So now I go to my layout view. I save my map document. I go to my layout view. I have my map document set for now as my a landscape format. And then I grab my second data frame. I drop it in the place. It is like tree from bottom of the page and 1 inch from top. So I can do this. I can full extent this one. I can select this one full extent as well. Make sure that they are same sizes. So that's one way to show two maps side by side. If you want to add a legend in your map, you maybe want to drag it to 2" from the bottom of the page and just add that and then add that. So you have a space here to add your map. So you can move it up and down, and then work with it. So in this case, I would go and move. No, actually, I keep it as is. I like it this way. If I go and insert legend for my Hispanic population, I go to legend, and then I go next, and I can remove legend here, and then go and simply I can change my font here as well. So interesting things to have in mind, and then simply finish that. So I would end up with a clean type of legend on my map saying that this is the percentage of Hispanic population over there. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time.